Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I want to talk about the best investment that you could make in your life. And it is one that you have complete control over, and that investment is in yourself. Because whenever I went on this entire creative journey, I realized that I had to invest so much in myself. Not only in what I had to learn, but also my own growth. Because whenever you do become a creator, that is something that you cannot ignore. And if you do, you're not going to create. And you're not going to grow as a creator. And more than likely, you're going to stop being a creator. And so whenever I say invest in yourself, I don't just mean reading a lot of books or learning a lot of things through YouTube and through the internet. Those things are extremely important. But I think the most important investment that you get out of this is learning who you are. Learning what you enjoy, what you don't enjoy, trying out a lot of stuff without really knowing the answers. And these are the type of things that I think that for most people that they don't really explore, because we're really not taught to do that in this type of way. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you are also putting into this best investment of your life, or maybe you're just starting, I'd like to know what your thoughts are. Be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com. And I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.